What's going on YouTube? Another week, another vlog, and today it's actually already the middle of the week. It's Wednesday. We just had Memorial Day, and I took the fam out to Big Bear, and it was such a special time with the family. It's really nice to be able to disconnect from everything and just having family time. It was very special. We got back to the city now, and we are working. We have a lot going on. I actually want to share a small win. I was able to put something together, a deal together, and it's very exciting. It feels so good when you're able to put a deal together out of thin air. I tend to do that a lot, so I'm very excited. Well, let's explain what that even means, right? So I'm an agent that doesn't like waiting for things to pop on the market for our clients. So we had a particular client that wanted a specific home in a specific neighborhood here in LA, in the Northeast LA to be a little bit more specific. I don't want to share too much details because I do have this sort of belief that, when you share your escrows, they tend to fall apart, so I don't want to do that. But I do want to share some of it, right? So they're looking for a house in a specific neighborhood in Northeast LA, and it's still very competitive, even though the market has shifted, and it is shifting. But certain neighborhoods, there's still a lot of buyers that really want to move into these very settled neighborhoods, is what I call them. So it's very competitive, and I was able to get them something, off market, from prospecting, from being able to talk to people, talk to other agents, using my tools, and I was able to make something happen. We had the showing today, and things are in escrow now, so it's very, very, very exciting, but at the end of the day, it's not real till it closes, so we're gonna move on to inspections and do all those good things. So remember, if you guys have any questions about real estate or real estate related questions, please reach out to me. I'd love to sit down with you, or just go over coffee, or maybe just Zoom or a phone call, whatever is the easiest for you. See if there's anything I can help with. But very excited. I'm excited for the rest of the week. We're going to be prospecting more. I want to get more. I have something in November that's very special that's coming, so I need to really, really grind and get more deals. I want to get 2 more deals before the end of November. So time to work, and let's continue on with the vlog. What's up, guys? It's a new week, and we are prospecting. We're about to jump on Mojo. By the way, the people that use Mojo just got revamped. It looks way different now, but I got my headsets on, and I'm going to jump on the phone for 1 hour. Hopefully I get some good contacts, and I potentially get a appointment so we could get another escrow going. But I'm very excited for this week. There's a lot of things going on, and I'm gonna take you along with me. So come on, let's go. Checking in, we are on our way to grab some coffee on Lake in Pasadena. This week was all over the place, but we did get a lease listing in Glendale, close to the mall, which is a very great location. And I don't know if you guys are picking up the the brake noise of my car in this video, but it's definitely time to change the rear brake, so we're definitely going to handle that. It was a super busy week. It was very exciting. We did a lot of things, and rates are dropping, so let's see how the market reacts. I am very interested in seeing how the market reacts when it comes to rates dropping, because there is a shift happening. So let's see if buyers jump back on. I would love to hear your thoughts if you're a buyer that's potentially thinking about buying this year, how do you guys feel about buying now that rates are dropping? Are you guys excited? What are your concerns? I'd really love to know what you guys are. How are you guys feeling? But yeah, outside of that, solid week, and that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, real estate related or just in general, I will link all of my information down below. Hope you guys have a wealthy rest of your week or day. But that is it. Hope you guys have a wealthy day. What's going on, guys? We just stopped at our first house for broker previews. Another week, another busy week of showing houses, getting into escrows, the business of real estate, right? So super excited to show you, bring you guys around with me. We just stopped at the first property in Atwater. Such a beautiful property. The backyard was amazing, but we are showing a couple of properties today, so come on with me. What's going on, guys? We just got done touring beautiful Richard Neutra. We are with Anthony today. We are out here shooting content. Honestly, what was your favorite part about this house?
So, I mean, technically we were in the Hollywood Hills, right?
Yeah, correct.
But this little pocket, it was just different, bro. We're not in the hills, but you have that experience of, the views, greenery.
So to point out, we were in the Hollywood Lake, is what they call it, that pocket that feels very secluded. It's really nice, very beautiful property, but we're on our way to Eagle Rock to go look at another property, very designer inspired mid-century. So we're gonna check it out and let us know what you guys think in the comment section. Which one is your favorite one? The more original one or the one that has been redone? What's going on, YouTube? Another week, another vlog. Today we are starting with an insane open house. We are at one of our latest listings in Eagle Rock. It's the Gatsby house. It's a 6,700 square foot Spanish revival that I'm going to try to show you guys around while we have the open house. I just opened up the doors, feeling very excited. I know there's a life-changing deal to be had in this house. Super excited. Who knows who's going to walk through those doors? But yeah, super excited. Honestly, it took me a while to turn on all of the lights, but I came in here early because I want to make sure that my energy is just fully focused on whoever walks in. I do not want to be rushing. But yeah, would love for you guys to subscribe to the channel. All the feedback is great. I would love to hear what you guys are thinking about the vlogs in the comment section. But yeah, super excited. I think someone's walking through the doors, so continue on the vlog and hope you guys are having a wealthy one.